welcome again. A new day, a new week, another successful story. Well, it has been 7 weeks since we have done this, and now there are only 3 stories left from my side. So let me know in the comments section as to how did you feel? How was the experience? Was it enriching? Was it a source of inspiration, motivational to all of y'all? Yes or no? I want your frank opinions and would love your feedback regarding the same. So let's move ahead with this particular story. So the message that this story gives us that you cannot fail unless you quit. So what's the story? This person lost his mother when he was only 9 years old. He lost his job when he was 23. His love life passed away when he was 26. He had a nervous breakdown at 27. He was defeated for speaker at 29. He was defeated for nomination for Congress at 34. He was again defeated and run for Congress at 39. He was defeated and run for Senate at 45. He was defeated for Vice President at 47. Again defeated and run for Senate at 49. But guess what? He was finally elected president in 1860 when he was 54 years old. Yes, you might have heard the stories umpteen times, but the amount of time that I took in mentioning his failures, imagine the amount of time it would have taken for this particular person in life to endure those failures. And what grit is required here to come out of it. Yes, this man is none other than Mr. Abraham Lincoln. And his message is that some achieve great success is proof to others that they can achieve it as well. This is the person who never quit despite his personal or professional circumstances. So what impact has he had on the world? He established an act which allowed poor people obtain land. He established the Department of Agriculture in the United States. Man behind the progressive nature of income tax that the world is seeing today, tax the richer more than the poor. So this philosophy was born by this individual. And finally, he abolished slavery, which was a huge deal back in the day. This I'm talking about the 1860s, and this man was a man of action, was a visionary, and he made all this happen. So what are the lessons that we can learn from this person? The best way to predict your future is to create it. Now, your circumstances are designed by you. You are the driver of your life. Do not let life drive you. Live with integrity for your own long-term benefit. Nothing comes out of cheating others. Your integrity will define your pathway to success, your pathway to success in life. You cannot help people permanently by doing for them what they could and should do for themselves. So merely helping somebody repeatedly, then that person can take it for granted. So you should be an accountability partner for them. You should be a source of driver for them so that they can deal with their problems alone. And that is what this man did. He inspired people to take care of themselves. When you reach the end of your rope, tie a knot and hang on. Abraham Lincoln was one such guy who never gave up. Colonel Sanders never gave up. Oprah Winfrey never gave up. Amitabh Bachchan never gave up. These are the kind of individuals who have never given up, and I have given you so many proof stories that if you hang on, things will start working for you. And this is the story of the great man, Mr. Abraham Lincoln. I hope this has been useful to you. If you loved it, please ensure hit the like and subscribe button, and please share it with your friends and family, because I know this story is powerful and this story has inspired a lot of people worldwide. So let it inspire many more people. This is Nimish here. This is my voice. I'm a son of 2 lovely parents, brother of a beautiful independent woman. I'm an engineer turned MBA turned senior HR professional turned author and life coach. And my mission in life is to help people realize and achieve their true potential and be their best self. Until next story, next week, take care of yourselves, especially in this time, and enjoy life. Thank you.